Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's been a minute since my last unboxing. We've just had our Chinese New Year, about 15 days. Yesterday was the last day of the Chinese New Year, Lunar New Year, and I was sick for half of it. If you can't tell, my voice is still not 100% back yet. I still have quite a sore throat, so please bear with me or don't mind if I sound like a horse. And we're in the year of the horse, so I guess it's matchy matchy. Anyway, so as you can see in the background, today is going to be an unboxing, I guess, a final unboxing of my LVX Takashi Murakami white multicolor pieces. So in the background, I've grabbed a few pieces that I got from the first drop last year, first quarter. I believe the first drop was in January, February as well for the white and black multicolor. And for the Murakami 2026 collection, I got a few pieces as well. So both of them I ordered online and they're hidden in the back. So I'm just gonna juggle some of these pieces around and then do the unboxing. So we have two in the back right there. So today I'll be unboxing these two pieces and they're likely to be my final pieces. They were in pending for validation for quite a few weeks now. So I waited both to arrive to do this unboxing, and I was sick last week anyways, so I couldn't really film. Just the regular packaging, two perfume samples, which I'm not going to go through in this video. I repeat myself, I will be making a video of all my samples. So many of these right now, and I thought I could just make an entire video of all the samples I got, and I wanted to do a count on them anyway. And again, they're gifting us these Le Beauté. I have a few of these now. So these are just the lippy samples. And here's the product. So let me just remove all of that. So anyone have any idea what it may be? I have something in the background that is the same or similar product, although not the exact same, but the use of it is. And oh, it's outside of the dust bag. So no surprise, it is the lipstick case. Let me just, okay, so it came just like this. Let me take a close look at it and make sure everything's okay. I bought this piece much later, and I was completely inspired and influenced by Minx for All. I'll link everyone I mentioned down below in my description box. But when I saw her unbox this, I think 2-3 weeks ago now, I just fell in love with it. Even though I already have another lipstick case from the La Beauté line. So this is the LVX Murakami, and you can see that in there. Let's see. I'm hoping my camera, which is my phone, haven't been able to get a good read when it's close up. So I apologize for that if it's blurry, but this is how it looks inside. Comes with a gold chain. And yeah, guys, this was not cheap. I'll put the pricing somewhere here, as I don't really remember how much I paid for it. But I also have another one which can hold 2 lipsticks. So I'll just remove the lipstick from this case and see how it fits in here now. So this one is an epi leather and has LV embossed here. The zipper isn't as smooth on this one. I don't know if any of you guys own this one, but I've heard from several YouTubers as well that theirs is not that smooth, like when you're trying to close it. So, but it's really pretty and you can use it as a bag charm. So I have both the black and white lipsticks from LV, done by Pat McGrath, and I just play with them sometimes. So I swap up the lid from the white compartment to the black, and how I remember it is whatever the bottom is that color. So this one would be the Spell on You lipstick in this color, and they're completely refillable. So the colors and where it's made, it says right here, made in France. And they provide you the color. Right here it says LV Rouge Satin Spell on You. And I put it back on the black case. Okay, lock it in. And this is like a magnetic closure. And this one is a lip balm, the white case. I just added the black lid, and this is a lip balm. You would see that I have very similar colors, so let me move that. And I should have bought something different, but I find that I do like to use the lip balm a lot more than a lipstick. But I wanted both cases because I think they're so pretty. And you can like swap around like that. And this one's also detachable, so you could refill whichever color, whether it's a lip balm or a lipstick, onto whichever case, white or black. You know, so you can have a play around with your beauty products as well. Okay, so now I'm gonna put this in here as it only fits one. It doesn't say where this is made. It only says Louis Vuitton X Murakami. And there we go. We have one lipstick case in the white multicolor, and it fits one. Whereas this style, like a bolide style or an east-west lip case, this can fit up to 2 lipsticks. But completely different. This is epi leather and this is canvas. Actually, it's vachetta leather inside lining. It's all leather. Okay, so a close-up. And then let me now put this away and open my last and final white multicolor piece. Here's the box. Same sample and the beauty product. Let's take this out of the box. Okay, so we have the product here. And this is the LV Murakami white multicolor stole. So it's not a shawl. They don't call it, it is a shawl, or you can call it a scarf. But on the LV website, they name this as a stole, and it's probably their biggest like shawl, much bigger than 90 by 90 or 120 by 20. So I don't even have enough screen space, but basically it's from here, and I'm still moving it all the way to here. So it's really big. In terms of the material, it's really, really soft. Let me see what it's made of. I tried this at the store when it first launched, and I went to grab my Toiletry 19 as well as my slim card holder. That day I also tried this on the mirror, and at first I didn't really want to buy anything white in clothing because I was afraid that it'd get dirty, but then it looked so nice, and because it's so soft, I ended up biting the bullet. And this is, yeah, gonna be my last product from the white multicolor. I don't know. I don't even know if the rumors of the black multicolor would be coming, but if they do, I will still look at the like list of products, but I already also have a number of black multicolor. Anyway, so this is the tag, Louis Vuitton X Murakami, made in Italy, and it has the 4 Murakami motif. And yeah, so most of their scarves, I find they're all made in Italy. And some of their SLGs are from Spain. And when it comes to bags or like bigger items, I prefer them to be made in France. But that just makes sense because the maison is, the house is from France. So you would want the best quality of the leather and everything to be made back from where the house originated. So anyway, this is the last scarf I got from the white multicolor collection. I'm very happy with all the items that I've got. I didn't put everything here today because I have another white scarf that's framed in my living room, and I think some other items. So I need to do a count. One day I will. Sometime in 2026, I'm going to count all my Murakami pieces from the Louis Vuitton 20th anniversary and 2026 drop. But for now, I am, yeah, very, very happy with my 2 new products. And I will try to keep all my items nice and new. I do use them. Not the notebook, but I've already brought my Toiletry 19 on a trip with me to Egypt and the UAE, Dubai and Abu Dhabi. And also I brought my slim card holder. I'm currently using this right now, and I love it. It's my favorite SLG. I do say I have a lot of favorites, but in terms of SLG, I would say that these 2 are my favorite SLGs that I've been using recently. Yeah, Murakami. I used this like for an entire year last year almost. Very good. Now I forgot what the name of this is. Suddenly forgot. But I also have the passport holder and the Rosalie wallet. And yeah, I have decided not to break open my sneaker sets. Those are the Lagoon sneakers, just because I'm so worried that I'll get them dirty. So yeah, maybe one day I might break these open and wear them out if I know I'm going to some place that's like indoors or cleaner. And yeah, and I do intend to start using my stole. So upcoming, I have a few more products that I ordered, And if any of you guys like Coach, I've been so into Coach ever since I unboxed my first Coach in over 13 to 14 years. So during the Chinese New Year, I've been using a gold rainbow crystal Coach bag for like half the time, and I was swapping it with my LV Neverfull BB, which is inside out, and I was using it in red. So I'll put photos of the Coach bag and the LV Neverfull here that I was swapping in between during CNY. And I think the coming few weeks, once my Coach bags arrive, I will start using those as well because I've been loving Coach. So long story short, if you guys are into Coach, my upcoming videos would be some Pop Mart unboxings as well as some Coach bags unboxing because yeah, they are just so pretty. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like. Comment below what items you liked from my unboxing or from the pieces I got in the previous drops. And share this video if you know someone else likes Murakami just like I do. And I'll see you guys in my next video, guys. Bye now.